Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a pattern lock in the Smart Life application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the Account and Security button. And then look for the Pattern Lock button and just click on that. And here you can set a pattern lock. So just like scroll your fingers through the circles to create a pattern, and then you have to record that again, and then it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.